Woo! Congratulations! You made it to the bonus content. Let's go ahead and get this through because you've definitely been watching me for too long. The bonus content is your first end customers. Your first 10 customers are people you want to engage with. Yeah, yeah, make that look good. Uh, is your target market, like I said, the target audience and the branding, who you're trying to cater yourself towards. Um, you always want to give them more compelling offers, give them even more of a discount than what you normally will, because they will then give you the social proof and the testimonials you'll need to rack in more customers for your product and or service. In this information age, it is definitely needed for you to build the trust up first and forehand, because if you get those first 10 customers, it kind of then solidifies you 100% that you know what you're doing, the information that you're getting is valid, and anybody else that's willing to sign up or going to look at the reviews like we always do for movies, any Amazon product, this, that, and the third, to then further validate our purchasing decision. You're already in the target market, so like you just always want to up that percentage of somebody buying your product or service. That's why giving them 30, hell, even 40% off the first purchase, if they're the first 10 customers, is definitely worth the investment in the long run. And definitely do outreach and follow ups, because within these first 10 customers, probably will be the solution for any of your any errors or anything else that deals with the product or service that you're getting. The easier you stumble now and you're able to talk with these customers and find the problems within your product and easing that over is going to give you less customer service problems in the long run. And you're probably asking, well, how would I get new customers? It still kind of deals with who they are, what they do, and why. Ergo, your target audience. When you already kind of know, again, you yourself have the problem. Ask yourself, do a little bit of reflection. Don't sell to people who don't care, and guide them using images and pictures. After you get those first 10 people, you've seen where they've stumbled, they've communicated with you back and forth. You kind of need to do the extra work to provide a guide of them getting towards your product or solution, or upon how you've solved that. I've said that so many times. I just realized that this whole time. Product solution, the services you provide. But all in, it's necessary for you to get new customers. Have the buyer's persona and everything already set up. That way, when you do finally get to the point to where you start releasing ads or you need to hire some type of marketing agency, you have this set up. It's kind of like when you're asking money from a bank. The first thing they're going to ask, oh, well, what's your business plan? When you already have these certain things done and you've at least dabbled into it or figured it out, you could give them towards this other business as an investment to help you get more people in. Because the more you could be able to understand the problems and solutions that you provide in your target audience, the demographic, the less time you'll have to figure out later on why your product or service is not selling or is not doing good. You don't want to keep stumbling upon this road like I have. You want to understand, stick to that, focus, and then keep going through. This is the end of this information age videos or playlist. If you made it this far, man, thank you so much for watching these videos. This has been a big thing that I wanted to get across, because these are everything that I've stumbled across since 2018 building my own brand and thinking that I could, just on a whim, like I don't come from a big town, I don't come from a wealthy family, none of that. And for the fact that you've even come this far to watching all these videos to get some type of information, hopefully it helps you get across these bridges and troublesome times, then it has me, and you could listen to somebody who's gone through this and actually apply the knowledge. But yeah, good luck and thank you guys. I plan on releasing more content dealing with a variety of things, predominantly more AI than anything. Um, See y'all in the future.